Hello again. I've just done question 1. I'm now on to question 2 of this sample proportion question, which is to find the 95% confidence interval. So let me just scroll down the page a little bit, give myself some room to do that. So I'm now doing question 2, the 95% confidence interval. Well, we fortunately can work that out. It is, you just have to take your mean plus or minus the Z score, I'll come to that in a second, and then the standard deviation. So we have our mean, just going back to the question itself, we've got that, we're given that that's 0.6, so the 95% confidence is 0.6 plus or minus. The Z score for 95% is 1.96 to 2 decimal places. You can get that more accurately if you want to use a calculator to look it up using the inverse norm function. I'll just use 1.96 for the rest of this question. And then the standard deviation, we're told that it's 0.02. There's times there. And so we just have to work out what that lot comes to. Now, if I just do just that part, I'll use my calculator to work out what that comes to, and that is 0.0392, in which case the 95% confidence interval is 0.6 plus 0.0392, that's 0.6392, and it's 0.6 minus 0.0392, and that comes to 0.5608. So I've got the range from 0.5608 to 0.6392, and that means that I'm 95% confident that the actual population mean will, or population proportion, will come within this range. I think I'm going to draw a picture to go with this over here. That's meant to be a normal distribution. I know it's very, very poor, but there we go. I've got the mean of 0.6. I've got 0.5608, which is there. And I've got 0.6392, which is there. And this in between here is 0.95. Okay, this expression that I've written here, you may also not, you may not necessarily see it written like that. You may see it written like but that's because this whole thing here is just a way of writing the standard deviation. So it's the same sort of thing. Anyway, that's the 95% confidence interval. I will pause there again and do... No, I won't. I'm going to do question 3 on here because question 3 is very straightforward. Question 3 is find the margin of error. I just refer to my very detailed picture here. Here's the confidence interval. It's from here to here, from this point to this point. The margin of error is just the size of this bit from here to here, from the middle to the edge. So you can take it as that bit there, or you could take it as that bit there. They're both the same because this is a symmetrical situation, and you will find that that is just that bit there. That is the Z score times the standard deviation gives you that margin of error. So in this case it's 0.0392. I've already worked it out. Okay, so that's there you go. So there we go. Confidence interval, margins of error. And we get the Z value from the 95%. We use the inverse norm if you're using a calculator to get that more precisely, but that's the 95% value from a normal distribution. Okay, that I will stop there.